Gurgaon. Imagine living in a place that's both fancy and cozy. This isn't just a dream, it's what you'll find at Krisumi Waterfall Residences. Located at Sector 36A along the busy Dwarka Expressway, this project mixes modern design with peaceful living. The first phase will be ready this year, covering 65 acres. Imagine over 5,000 apartments and a lively township. It's not just homes, it's a growing community with luxury amenities. You're getting a place where luxury meets affordability. Krisumi Waterfall Residences is more than a home. It's where your future begins.